Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am memory keeping the week of Thanksgiving, and I'm really excited to put this spread together. I think it's going to be really pretty, and I didn't take as many pictures as I probably should have. Kind of regretting that now, but I do have some to include, of course, and then all of my plans, all the things that I did. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using this week. It is called Thankful. This is from Scribble Prints Co. This is the mini kit version. So we have 8 full boxes here. I just thought it was really pretty and I liked the color scheme. It was kind of traditional. Some small deco, which I love. I'll put that across the top. Extra full boxes, glitter headers, and then a bunch of boxes and labels. I really love the patterns. Really fun. Another box and bottom washi and date covers. And then there's an extra, like a little freebie with a couple of extra little boxes. I don't know if I will use these or not. I'm gonna have to see. And then I'm going to include some foil. So I'm gonna grab this one right here. This is an old sheet from Scribble Prints Co. And then the rest of this stuff is from Jessica Hart's. I've got some leftovers from last year. And then a little freebie here and some bottom washi from Sadie stickers, and then a couple of overlays. Before we get into the memory keeping here, I wanted to show you my November spreads because I haven't shared any of these. I didn't film any of them. I just did them. So this was the week of Halloween and like the first week of November. It was a good week. And then this one is so pretty. This is a kit from Sadie stickers. I love this. And then this one is so cute. This is from Lemon and Honey Studio. Adorable. I love the color scheme. And then we're to this week. So let's go ahead and get started on this memory keeping spread. All right, I'm going to begin with the bottom washi, and I had to use some overlays because one of the strips was like solid. I guess you could leave it plain. I might do that in the future, but I decided to put in a little overlay with little bows. This is like an old sheet from Sadie stickers, which pretty much all the foil this week I think is from Sadie's stickers. Maybe some of the quote boxes are from Jessica Hart's, but here's where I kind of messed up a little bit, but I'm trying to fix it. It didn't really work, but it's all right. When it's totally done, it looks okay, but I don't know. From afar, it looks fine. Then we're going to go to the date covers and the glitter headers, and I'm grabbing some date numbers, also from Sadie's stickers. I'm just popping those into the date covers. Obviously doing a poor job at that, but we fixed it with some undo. Saves my life here with planning. So just popping in those numbers real quick, and then we're going to go to the glitter headers. So thankfully the Scribble Prints Co. kits now come with a full set of glitter headers, which is really nice. So I just put them in the order of the kit so that they matched the date covers. I just like that look. It looks nice to me. And then I'm going to put in the date covers. I'm also going to pop in some deco up there in just a little bit. So I just like everything to look kind of matchy, especially with like full spreads like this. And it looks kind of fun. It's very like orderly. I really like that her strips are, her date covers are straight, like the background is white. It's just really easy to line it up. Okay, then I'm putting in the deco. I'm going to speed you through this because it is a long process, but I put in the big pieces first, then I pop in these smaller pieces, and then I'm going to trim it in just a minute just to make it look like nice and clean and neat, like I said. So just trimming real quick, and I'm actually in the process of getting some new scissors because this definitely affects my scissors, but I like the look of it. It looks cute. So just put in the weekend banner, and then we're going to go to the full boxes. So I knew I wanted to put the little cat up in the top of the sidebar. I just think it looks so cute. And then I'm just putting in the stickers just in my normal spots. So that would be Tuesday, Thursday is at the bottom. Usually Saturday is at the top along with Wednesday. And then Friday, usually in the middle or at the top, just depending on the spread. But for this one, I just left it because I knew I was going to fill it up. Just kind of thinking about moving some around, but I left them as is. Okay, just finishing up my sidebar here, which is my journaling section. I put in a little box for my favorite moment of the week, and then a little label up here with a little bit of deco just to make a label for this week. There we go. And then I'm going to go to Monday. But before we do that, I'm going to put in some overlays. I just love these overlays. They're so cute. And I wanted to make sure that I use them because I haven't in the years past. And I thought the spread was like perfect for that. So I just put in some of the quote boxes. I grabbed some of the square boxes with bows. Works really well with a more like complex box or like a person. And then just grabbed some with like little dots and bows on them to match the bottom washi. So cute. And then one more here on the sidebar. Then we're going to put in my video thumbnails. So those go on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the bottom. I like to put these in because I can look back on like previous years and see what I did during certain times of the year, which is kind of nice. Okay, back to Monday. I guess we're to Monday. So I'm going to start with a label, actually not a label, a little hexagon box with a Luke's coffee cup from the Crafty Banana to mark in that I got all caught up on some work because the previous week was pretty hectic. So I just wanted to get caught up first thing. So did that. And then I, after school, dropped off some decorations for my sister. And they were like fall stuff because I have a lot and she didn't have very much. So I dropped that off for her. And then I'm going to put in the full box underneath that. And I'm going to add an overlay in just a little bit. So just popping in that full box. And then below that, I cleaned out my car like inside and out. So I put a little Fox and Pig sticker in there and marked that. I also called my mom and just kind of talked about Thanksgiving, made sure that everything was like ready and made our final plans. So I used a little heart for that. This planner is getting hard to write in because it's getting so thick and bumpy, but we're gonna make it through the end of the year. Just gotta keep going. Okay, then on Tuesday, I took a half day this day because I knew that I was going to get stressed if I did not go home and just like take care of some stuff. So I took the afternoon off. I needed it. I used it. And then I made my last grocery trip. This was the main reason why I wanted to take the half day because I wanted to avoid the crowds. But even then, it was like super busy. So I went ahead and grabbed some final groceries. And then I did just a huge cleaning session, like just cleaning the whole house. I just put on some podcasts and some music and just cleaned for forever, for like a couple hours. But it was nice to have everything like ready to go before my family got here. So just flipping this third box and adding a little Once More with Love cleaning sticker. And then that evening I was exhausted, so I just watched a little bit of TV and chilled out. So I'm gonna grab a Once More with Love like couch potato sticker. It's so cute. Now on Wednesday it was so cold, like a cold snap happened, and I happened to have this sticker from Caress Press, so I'm gonna pop that on top of one of these flags, and I put that in. It says it's cold AF. There we go. And then I cooked a few things this day just to get them out of the way because I knew if I saved everything for Thursday, it would just be chaotic. So I cooked a few things and I put it helped to ease the load on Thursday. And then below that, I'm going to put in that my family stayed with me on a little label. And I'm going to add a little gold foiled heart sticker. And we also had Chinese this evening, so both my parents were here and my sister, my middle sister, plus my sister, my youngest sister's, her like in-laws were here. So like her brother-in-law, father-in-law, and her brother-in-law's fiance. So everybody was here and it was just crazy. So we decided to order some Chinese that evening just to kind of chill out a little bit before the big day. Just gonna pop in a label right above that just to kind of fill the space and mark that my family was with me. I'm looking for a sticker to go with that, and I decided to go to the back of this foil binder and grab, because I couldn't really find anything that I really liked. I'm going to grab one of these stickers from Clever Gal Crafts. There we go. And then we're going to go to Thursday. So this was Thanksgiving, so I'm going to mark that first on a label at the top. And I had these old holidays from Scribble Prints Co. in J. Crew's writing, which she is back on YouTube. So welcome back. I know she doesn't watch my videos, but I love her videos. They're super fun, and her style is just really different from mine. Well, not super different, but just a little different than mine. So I like to watch people who are planning differently than me, and she's funny. So I'm really glad that she's back on YouTube. I'm grabbing a little holiday sticker with this, this girl with a turkey, which my sister cooked the turkey this year. And then we made our famous potato rolls. They're so good, but they take so long to make, like over 3 hours. Yes, they're worth it because they're delicious, but they just take forever. But now it's like a family tradition, so we eat them for every family get together. So every time we gotta make the rolls, and they are delicious, but just so much work. So I'm just grabbing this little like crazy eyes sticker to represent like how long they took. They actually pushed back our Thanksgiving by like an hour, which was annoying, but it's okay. We still had a good Thanksgiving. And then I popped in this little graphic. It's super cute. Just reminds me of Friends, and I love those Thanksgiving episodes. On the 25th, this was my dad's birthday, so I used a little label for that with a little Coffee Monsters Co. sticker. And then I have this another Friends reference to the Moist Maker, and below that we had leftovers, so I'm going to use a little pumpkin pie sticker from Paper and Milk. Really old stickers, but really cute, so I wanted to use it. And then with my mom made my dad a cake, like we needed more food, but he loves chocolate, so, and then that was the gift that my sister and I got him. It's really cute. I like it a lot. And then on Saturday, I didn't have any room on Friday to put this in, but these pictures cracked me up because I was reading this book, the book with no pictures, to my nephews, and they were like being crazy. They loved the book, so they were being crazy and crawling all over me, and it was just super funny, but I committed to the book and all of the voices and everything, and it was just super cute. And then also on Saturday, my family went home, so I put in a little car sticker and put that I'll see them in a month. This is when I made myself a giant list of everything I needed to do to get ready for Monday, and I got about half of it done on this day. So I'm just grabbing this little old sticker from Pumpkin Paper Co. and writing in that. And then this evening, I just chilled out, watched some Gilmore Girls, so I'm going to use a little Once More with Love sticker. No, it's Coffee Monsters Co. sticker for that, a little Lorelei. And I had a little bit of an awkward space between all of that, so I'm just going to use a little glitter header, throw that in there because I couldn't think of anything else to do with that space. On Sunday, so I actually put in 2 full boxes this week, or on Sunday, because didn't really do a whole lot on Sunday, and I wanted to use it because it looks so cute. I also added a little reading sticker from Fox and Pip, and another Fox and Pip sticker over there. Obviously, I love Fox and Pip, so put in the full box up there with the overlay. It looks so cute. And then I grabbed a little quarter box and put that I am back on my bullshit. Like, I was up early, I was back on my schedule, I was trying to get my list done, and it was a really good day. I felt like I was super productive and I got so much done. So I used a little Rise and Shine sticker from Once More with Love. And then I'm going to write a little note under there that says, I'm going to try really hard to stay focused on my goals through the end of December. So far, we're doing okay. We're not doing great, but we're not doing terrible either. So I just need to like commit to myself, and that's not happening so much. Okay, over in my journaling section, I wrote that I needed this one, meaning this week. I needed to spend time with family. It was different though, but good too, because we weren't like doing our normal Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for my dad and our time together. My dad went through a whole lot of health stuff in the past like 2 years, and so it's really good to like spend time with him and just enjoy each other's company. And then my favorite moment was the feast. Then I'm just gonna open the spread up and add a little bit more foil, just a little touch, actually kind of fill everything out. So just adding a little bit from my foil binder, little bows, little accents, nothing crazy. And one more overlay. And then just making sure that they're adhered well and clear. So here is the finished spread. I really, really love how this turned out. It's so cute. I really like the little quote boxes. It's super cute. I'm a little rusty on my foil skills, but I think I made it work. I made some mistakes, but we just kind of brushed by them, and it's okay. It's all right. No spread is perfect. I love it. It's so cute. I love the little cat. I don't know why this dog looks so sad though. Poor thing. But I just love this. It really encompasses the whole week, and I just am really going to enjoy looking back on this. All right, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye.